Don't ask questions you don't wanna know. Learn my lesson way too long ago. To be talking to you, belladonna. Should've taken a break, not an Oxford comma. Take